Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Choppiness Index with the Average Directional Index. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. Okay, so we're going to start by adding both indicators to the chart. All right, here we go. Now, the Choppiness Index and the Average Directional Index, commonly called the ADX, are both indicators designed to evaluate market conditions. However, they focus on slightly different aspects of price behavior. The Choppiness Index measures whether a market is trending or moving sideways. Okay, it analyzes price movement over a specific number of periods. Feel free to change the length depending on how you want the sensitivity of the indicator to be. You can reduce the length if you want more sensitivity. You can increase the length if you want lower sensitivity. All right. So, higher readings on the Choppiness Index suggest that the market is moving sideways or consolidating. All right. You can see what was happening here, right? You can see here again, right? While lower readings indicate that the market may be entering a stronger trend, as you can see. Okay? Traders sometimes use this indicator to determine whether a trend following strategy or a range trading strategy may be more suitable for the current market environment. Now, the average directional index works differently, okay? ADX measures the strength of a trend, regardless of whether the trend is upward or downward. So it is usually plotted along with two additional lines called the positive directional indicator and the negative directional indicator. All right. You can see the DI length in this case, we have it at 14, while the ADX model is 14. Right? Feel free to modify according to your text. However, this indicator, we are focusing on the ADX line itself. Okay. So when the ADX value rises, it suggests that the trend may be strengthening. Right? You can see here, it doesn't matter whether it's uptrend or downtrend. When the trend is strengthening, you can see that the ADX line will be rising. All right. You can see in this case, it was a downtrend, ADX line was rising. Here it was an uptrend, ADX line was rising still. Okay? So, but when the ADX value falls, it can indicate weakening trend momentum or consolidation. Now, in comparison, the Choppiness Index focuses primarily on identifying consolidation versus trending phases, while the ADX focuses on trend strength. Both indicators are often used to help traders decide whether market conditions are suitable for certain types of trading strategies, okay? If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content, all right? In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.